Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about Nano Dimension Limited stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Stock is trading at $3.05 with 0.99% positive in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently at all-time high, so the fundamental Nano stock is more better than other pain stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and also comment all related queries.